Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 51 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to max out our TFSA in the first 3 years of investing. And now, just a quick update for you guys. Our portfolio is up to $28,419. Currently, we are down about $128 today. In the past week, we are up $376. In the past month, up $664. Past 3 months, we're up $920 or 3%. The past year, we're actually up now $43 or 0.15%, and all time we are up 3.36% or $923 all time. Now, the stock market's kind of come back a little bit. Now with everything going on in the US banks and China, the stock market is coming down a little bit, but we're going to continue doing what we've been doing before, and that is dollar cost averaging our main stock holdings. So what I'm going to do today is increase my position in VDY, which is our main kind of ETF that follows Canadian high index yield fund. So we're going to buy about $500 worth of this share here. So that equates to let's try about 12 shares or so, maybe 11. So we're going to buy 11 shares of VDY today. Perfect. That's in our TFSA. And then we're also going to be buying VFV as well. Place order today, yes. We're going to be buying our other ETF, which follows the S&P 500, but it's Canadian hedged, and that's a VDY. Both are Vanguard funds. Both are incredible on dollar cost averaging. Moving forward, let's try to buy 5 shares of this. Perfect. VFV, perfect. Awesome. And that's what I recommend to you guys too, is keep dollar cost averaging. Even though it's scary, even though the market's a little bit down, even though there's news in the media, keep dollar cost averaging these stocks, because in 5-10 years time, these stocks are going to be way higher than they are today. You can even collect those dividend payments as well. So as we scroll back up, just kind of a recap, portfolio is at $28,429. I bought VDY and VFV today. Tune in for next week for another episode, and I'll see you guys then. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And actually, if you made it this far in the video, I actually opened up a TikTok account too. So if you guys are following TikTok, go follow me there as well, and we'll do small little snippet updates for that as well. Okay, have a great day, guys. Bye.